Deku! Oh. Okay, alright. What's up, guys? I'm Sarah. Welcome back to my channel, Abby Blinks. Or if you're new here, welcome. Yeah. Today I'm reacting to Deku versus Overhaul, and I'm in for it. And yeah, let's get to it. I've been waiting for this. Get him, Deku! I had enough of him. The way he did to me, oh God, I'm losing words. Right! Look what he did to Lemillion, alright? Her quirk is like...
どちらの家系にも全く類似しない力が発現したんだ。能力の詳細も使い方もわからん。本人に自覚がないんだ。お前の個性にあの子の個性調べ上げてくれや。個性が俺と似てる。これは修復だとか直すとかそういう次元じゃない。これがエリの個性。巻き戻す個性。私が助からないと死んでも諦めない。もう一度あの優しい手に。
Get her! Oh! Yes! My boy! Yes, Deku! Ah! I'm screaming. Oh my gosh. Okay, he's able to predict. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh. Can you see that huge stone on his back? That just like that. That stabbed through him. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, Deku's taking a huge toll. Because he has used what, 100%, right? Ugh, I can't stand him. Oh. Oh! My boy's decking out! Yes, Deku! Come on! Hit him! I can't wait for Deku to get him. You have no idea. He's just like a huge monster. Ooh! My boy hit him clean! Okay, he hit him clean! Oh my goodness. Yes, Deku! She boosting him up! Damn, he looks like a whole beast in the air.
俺の考えが成功する8歳会は必ず存在を匂わせる鬱陶しいヒーロー芸を無力化できる巻き戻しで個性を復活させられる結成をちらつかせエリの肉体が元である以上市場を独占支配で人を何だと思ってんだうちの考えに背きてえならってくれたあんたに報いたいだけで黙って見ててくれ親父は恩人だ計画が軌道に乗って俺たちがでかくなったら
Look at my boy Deku. Okay. Okay. Yes. Oh, he's like reforming. Okay. Okay. Okay, my boy Hitty Clean Kai hits. Oh, yes. Okay. Okay, Deku. Yes. Knocked him out. You're yelling. Oh, yes. Okay, that's it. But like, did you see that look in his eye? Okay, Deku didn't come here to play. All right? Okay? But I had to calm down. There's people in my house. Okay, my mom and brother. I'm making a lot of noise. But I love this. I need to calm down, but comment, like, subscribe. And yeah. Have a nice day, guys.